Who that? Oh, that my boy?
You always in the motherfucking lab.
Hey, never mind, gay. Never mind, gay. They good money in here. We straight.
Now this homie right here.
Hey, I had the boy on standby just in case nigga
I see.
try that yesterday shit.
Yes, sir. Keep him on standby.
You heard me, gay?
Yeah.
Shit, I'm already outside.
He was outside in the cut, wasn't he?
Hey, that boy said he already outside. No, he was on the other side of the map.
Oh.
He already outside though.
Look at him now. That's him right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that boy big scrizzy.
See how quick he was here?
Yeah.
That's the old boy from yesterday?
Yeah.
The one we killed by accident?
He was in that bit when the police came in that bit.
Yeah, he was one of the ones standing over there.
Yeah,
So you telling me he's not the one snitching? That's
You
not
say
the
what,
nigga
bitch?
snitching? He's not the one snitching?
I ain't even heard about no snitch. Who snitching?
Talk about he was here last time when the cops pulled up in here.
Yeah, but they took his ass to jail too.
Yeah.
They gotta take, obviously they gotta take his ass to jail.
Well, they took him to jail or they killed him.
They killed him. Yeah, they killed him.
Yeah,
He lost
they killed
everything.
him. They killed him.
Yeah, nah, he ain't no snitch for sure.
Oh no, they tased the hell out my ass.
They took my ass to jail, trying to give me some talking shit, bitch. Fuck y'all.
Oh yeah, they tased me and killed my ass.
Hey, I had hit you up, ain't your shit homie on the Discord?
Yeah. I thought I accepted your shit.
Yeah, I had sent you a message. Your shit say homie on your shit, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I text you. Goddamn, the ops had took me to the hospital. On God.
Shit.
On God. Nigga, I had flew back in. There was too many ops in that bit. They asked me was I in the gang. I told the nigga hell no. You know I'm be wearing my flag. Nigga straight took me to the hospital.
Exactly.
I was finna pick you up though. I had hit you on the Discord because I was back walking and shit.
Damn, a dude had picked me up, but I had already died though.
Damn.
Cause I tried that shit you told me to F8 and come back in.
Yeah. When you come back in, you still be dead though. It just say your time.
Yeah, you still be dead, but it give you your time. He could have picked you up to the hospital.
Shit, I still died though. It still took them forever to come.
Damn. That's why you supposed to make sure in the Discord, like shit, let a nigga know like you in the city. If you in this bitch moving,
fly back in.
You fly in. Go ahead and let a nigga know where you finna drop it. Your dead body finna drop it.
Especially if you got some shit you don't really want to lose.
Nah, you see, I waited it out. I went tripping.
If there's some shit you ain't give a fuck, then fuck.
I'm back where I started. That same shit they stopped me from doing. I'm finishing it off right now.
Them bitches caught me with a load. Them bitches
caught me ran, rock on my. You supposed to die about it or something.
Man, the way it happened, bro, it just. You know,
bro, I know. That's why I thought I was in jail, bro. I said, bro, I'm finna die.
But the thing of it was, like I say, I was still caught in the animation. Like when they came and you just had stopped. So you know when you stuck in the animation, like by the time I got out the animation, man, them boys was almost halfway here. They was on me. You feel me?
Hell yeah.
You hadn't already burnt out.
Hell yeah. That nigga was standing right in my face, cuz he could have slapped the pill out my hand, bro. I threw the S pill back right in his face and slapped past his ass. Other nigga was on the step. I thought he was gonna
I wasn't thinking about it. You feel me? Like I said, I wasn't thinking about it because shit.
Yeah, you said you froze up with me.
Well, it ain't the fact of me frozen up. Like I'm in the animation. I knew off top they got me. Like,
that's what I thought.
That's
why
I was in the animation.
You might as well have to go for what you know. If you know you
Yeah, but I can't run in the animation. That's why I say once I got out the animation, the dude was already there.
You supposed to been ran. As soon as you got out there,
I turned around and tried to run, but when I seen you going through the dope and them turning, like old boy pretty much turned around after you, I was like, fuck it. They got away. I ain't tripping.
Man, you supposed to been out of there still.
I know I ain't gonna say shit. I just, hey, bro, give me my little fireman. Hey, bro, tell us who the. Hey, look, man, look.
What kind of,
Don't I got the right to remain silent?
What kind of gun it is you got right there?
What, in my hand?
Yeah.
That grave digger on my mama.
Yeah. That bitch looks suspicious.
Man, that boy been twerking that bitch since we been in this city.
Go buy one of them.
I ain't seen that nigga with no other gun in his hand. On God.
Yeah, I'll knock a nigga ass off.
He don't need them, but that.
Man.
I'm knocking nigga ass off.
Hey,
with
let
this
him
shit.
tell it. He saved my life one day in that bitch. He
Here
came
we
out
go.
on top.
Here
Look,
we
look, he
fucking
came
go,
out on
bro.
top for us, but let him tell it. He saved my life in this bitch that day.
Hey, bro, now
What
you
that
see
bitch
what I'm
over,
saying,
honey?
Gabe? That shit, I ain't even bringing the shit up, but I'm the one so say bragging about it. You feel me?
What that
He
bitch
say
hold 50?
You said
Listen,
What that bitch hold 50?
what? I mean
I
that
don't
bitch
know.
whole
You
rock.
gotta
Something
go to
like
the
that.
black
Something
market.
like that.
I gotta go get me one of them.
Man,
Boy.
that
That
shit
bitch
Lord.
hold about 60. I know one thing. If I'm close up on you, it's a wrap.
It's over.
Nigga, if he aim at Gabe, he bound to hit me and Gabe or you and Gabe. I'm telling you.
If he aims at Gabe, he dying.
See, I don't like the way you just said that, bro. I don't like the way you just said that, Gabe.
That boy SMG rocking with the drum, man.
Hey, bro, cause you just don't know, bro. I get surgical with this whole Gabe.
Listen, man. By the time you turn this way, you already knocked out.
Yeah, but you forgot I could do the same thing that you could do, Gabe. That's what you failing to realize.
You got the cursor on my head right now?
I got it on your fucking head.
Amen.
Oh my God. Hey man.
I got it on your
Listen,
head, bro.
listen, J-Rod. Listen, all I gotta do is pull the trigger. You gotta aim, move over to me, and
Now
then
with that
shoot.
cursor, it's gonna shoot straight from there. Remember that's why your boy was saying. Remember that's why what's his name? What's your little homie name, bro?
Triggers?
Avery. That's why Avery kept on saying old boy was cheating, but he wasn't. He just shot wherever the cursor went. So it looked like he just turned around and headshot, but he didn't. He just had that bitch on his
Oh,
head.
because you guys got the third-party cursor on.
Yeah.
Y'all some motherfuckers, huh?
What
the
you
fuck
mean the
is
third party cursor? I got a cursor that go on
you
my
can see your
screen.
body. You can see your body and you can see your aim and shit in front of you.
Yeah, I got that shit.
You can always have that
my
with that.
screen.
First person when you can't see shit with your gun, you can't even see the back of your head in first person.
Yeah.
Third person, you can see your whole body.
Hey, bro, fuck it. I'm at a disadvantage anyway. I'm still on the joystick, so fuck it.
On me. Good controller going on. PFO shit.
I need to get an Xbox one so it stops disconnecting.
Oh my nigga, I just had fucked up a video yesterday. Controller went dead.
You say you got another Xbox one?
That's the one I use. Because you
Oh,
can
the
just
one
plug
you
it
use.
in.
Yeah, that's what I got my X. That's what I told him. And then I went
Yeah, the Xbox
bought a
one?
wired one. I ain't even want a regular. I went and bought a wired one. You feel me? So I know that bitch gonna work. I
fuck?
plug that bitch dead into the computer.
Where does this guy come from?
God.
What the hell?
Why shit?
He just flew in this bitch.
What the fuck is this?
I remember
And he
bro
just
from the
took
other
your
day. He
table
good.
like
He
that?
good. He be in this bitch trying to get to the money.
My bad, bro. Hold on, let me scoot over.
Oh no, that shit just fucked me up.
Damn, bro. Then you just took my table, bro.
My bad. Let me scooch over, bro.
Nah, I'm fucking with
I thought I was bugging or something. I know it was just 3 niggas right here.
Yo, you gotta jump. You got a spider.
You probably got
With the
TH's
raised shirt.
ass.
Look at him. Oh my god, his fucking legs, bro.
I'm here. You need to jump, bitch.
Ooh.
You, bitch. You need to jump.
He got it.
Oh yeah, you good now.
Yo, anybody got some food? I'll send some money your way. I need some food.
No food. I was
Ain't got no
supposed to
food.
stop
Everything
before I
on me done
came.
went bad.
Oh, shit.
Everything on me done
My
went
boy
bad.
back here putting together a 100-pack, ain't
My
That's
boy
your
getting
homie?
to it.
it? Nah.
You don't know that dude over there?
Nah, he just chilling shit. He been over that bitch the whole time.
Oh, nah, old boy.
Nigga, I'm still looking like yesterday. No, I'm trapping hard. I ain't left this
I don't know
bitch.
what he on, but
Shit, I know that's right. Yeah.
Nah, he putting that shit together though.
say too much.
So none of y'all know that kid over there.
Yeah, nah, that's the one I was talking